Hello viewers, welcome back to Daily Fun TV. In this video, we delve into the captivating world of the glasswing butterfly, unraveling its biology, habitat, behavior, and the secrets hidden behind its delicate, see-through wings. The glasswing butterfly, scientifically known as Greta Otto, is a remarkable and ethereal creature that stands out among the diverse world of butterflies. Taxonomy and classification. The glasswing butterfly belongs to the family Nymphalidae, a group that includes many other well-known butterfly species. Within this family, it is classified under the subfamily Dinainae, which comprises milkweed butterflies. The genus Greta encompasses several species, with Greta Otto being the most famous member. Physical characteristics. The most striking feature of the glasswing butterfly is, of course, its transparent wings. These wings are primarily devoid of the colorful scales that are typical of most butterfly species. Instead, they are composed of a translucent membrane that allows light to pass through, creating a stunning and almost magical appearance. The wingspan of a glasswing butterfly typically ranges from 5.6 to 6.1 centimeters. Its body is relatively small, with a slender and elongated abdomen. The butterfly's overall appearance is elegant and understated, with subtle hints of color on its body and wing edges. Range and habitat. The glasswing butterfly is primarily found in Central and South America, where it inhabits a variety of forested and wooded areas. Its range extends from Mexico through Central America to parts of South America, including Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia. These butterflies are most commonly sighted in regions with lush vegetation and plenty of sunlight. One key aspect of the glasswing butterfly's habitat preference is its affinity for flowering plants, especially those of the Asteraceae and Solanaceae families. These plants provide nectar, a vital energy source for adult butterflies. Life cycle. Like all butterflies, the glasswing undergoes a complete metamorphic life cycle consisting of 4 stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult. The life cycle begins with the female glasswing butterfly laying eggs on the leaves of host plants. These eggs are typically small, oval-shaped, and pale yellow in color. Once the eggs hatch, the caterpillars emerge. Glasswing caterpillars are relatively small and inconspicuous, with a greenish-brown body adorned with tiny spines. They feed on the leaves of their host plants, growing and developing over a period of several weeks. After reaching maturity, the caterpillar enters the pupal stage, forming a chrysalis. Unlike the transparent wings of the adult, the chrysalis is opaque and resembles a small, angular leaf. Inside the chrysalis, the transformation from caterpillar to butterfly takes place, and this process can last for a couple of weeks. The fully developed glasswing butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. At this stage, they are ready to explore the world, seek nectar from flowers, and, for some species, engage in the essential task of reproduction. The adults have transparent wings, as well as subtle markings on their bodies and wing edges. Diet and feeding behavior. Adult glasswing butterflies primarily feed on the nectar of various flowering plants. They possess a long proboscis, a tube-like mouthpart, which they use to extract nectar from the deep tubular flowers of their preferred plant species. Their proboscis is specially adapted for this purpose, allowing them to access nectar from flowers that are otherwise difficult to feed on. It plays a crucial role in pollination, transferring pollen from one flower to another as they feed. This ecological role is vital for the reproduction of many plant species and helps maintain the biodiversity of their habitats. The science behind the phenomenon. The transparency of the glasswing butterfly's wings is an extraordinary adaptation that has intrigued scientists for years. Understanding how these transparent wings are possible involves delving into the intricate biology and physics at play. The primary reason for the transparency of glasswing butterfly wings is the absence of colorful scales that are present in the wings of many other butterfly species. These scales are responsible for giving butterfly wings their vibrant colors and patterns. In the case of the glasswing, the scales are reduced to tiny, almost microscopic structures, allowing light to pass through the wing membrane. The secondary reason is due to the absence of scales but is also a result of the unique nanostructures present on the wing surface. These nanostructures are responsible for refracting and bending light in a way that minimizes reflection and enhances transparency. This phenomenon is similar to how certain materials, such as glass and water, appear transparent due to the way they interact with light. While the wing membrane itself is transparent, the edges of the wings exhibit subtle coloration. This is achieved through selective absorption of certain wavelengths of light by the wing tissue. The colors at the wing edges are thought to serve a role in signaling and communication among glasswing butterflies. The nanostructures on the wing surface also possess anti-reflective properties, reducing the amount of light that is scattered or reflected off the wings. This minimizes the chances of the butterfly being detected by predators or prey due to glint or glare. Another interesting aspect is their hydrophobic nature. This means that water droplets bead up and roll off the wing surface, preventing the wings from becoming wet. This feature is believed to help the butterfly maintain its ability to fly even during rain or wet conditions. Conservation status. The glasswing butterfly, like many other butterfly species, faces threats to its habitat and population due to deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting the glasswing butterfly typically focus on preserving its habitat, conserving the host plants it relies on, and raising awareness about the ecological importance of butterflies in general. Organizations and researchers continue to study this species to better understand its biology and behavior, which can inform conservation strategies. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe the channel for more informative videos. See you in the next video.